Dashboard warning lights explained. Part 2, battery warning light. If the battery warning light turns on while driving, your car can suddenly stop, even if the battery is new. It does not always mean the battery is bad. What does it mean? The battery warning light means there is a charging system problem. The alternator is not charging the battery properly, so the car is running only on battery power. Why does it come on? This warning light usually turns on because of 1. A faulty alternator, 2. A loose or broken drive belt, 3. Weak or damaged battery, 4. Wiring or charging system problem. Can you drive or not? You can drive for a short distance only, but if the battery drains completely, the engine will stop and the car will not restart. What should you do? If the battery warning light turns on while driving, first switch off unnecessary electrical loads like the air conditioner, music system, and extra lights. Drive calmly and avoid sudden acceleration. Go directly to the nearest service center and get the alternator, drive belt, and battery checked. Do not ignore this warning because the car can suddenly stop if the battery drains completely and may not restart. To understand all dashboard warning lights, follow this playlist. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more useful updates. Thank you for watching.